welcome to Crash Course Math! Hey Brainiacs! Today we're going to learn about adding with some awesome, stunt-jumping, super-duper monster trucks! Listen to that crowd! They're really excited to learn some math! You know what would be cool? What if we get our monster trucks to jump over some buses? Okay, let's start by jumping one bus. Now we'll need our monster truck. Hey, truck number 3, are you ready to jump? I think he wants more of a challenge. Let's add 2 more buses. Now how many buses do we have? We had 1, then we added 2. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 1 bus plus 2 buses equals 3 buses. Okay, let's see if you can jump all 3 buses. Ready? Go! No problem. You can easily jump 3 buses. Let's make it a bit harder. Let's move the ramps and add 2 more buses. So we had 3 buses and added 2 buses. How many do we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, let's try jumping 5 buses. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, nice jump. 5 buses is pretty good. Do you think we should try jumping more buses? Okay, let's do it. Let's give the next truck a real challenge. Let's add 4 more buses. Let's see, we had 5 buses and now we're adding 4 more. Do you know what 5 plus 4 is? Let's use a number line to help us with this one. We can draw the numbers from 1 to 10 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We started with 5 buses, so let's circle that. Then we added 4 buses, so let's move 4 places up the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, truck number 9, let's see what you've got. Number 9 is an expert jumper, but do you think she'll be able to jump all 9 buses? Let's give her a big countdown from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Amazing! She jumped all 9 buses! Let's see that again in slow motion. Whoa, look how high she jumped. Wow, that was so cool. Nice jump, number 9. So what did we learn today? We learned that 1 bus plus 2 buses equals 3 buses. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 5 plus 4 equals 9. Nice work, Brainiacs!
Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more videos to Maths by Mr. Abbasi.